Need to replace your BMW key fob battery? This section shows you how. First, remove the key blade. If your fob has one, insert it into the slot and twist. Check your manual for the correct direction, usually 90 degrees clockwise or counterclockwise, to release it. Some newer models skip this step as they don't have a physical blade. Next, carefully pry open the case. Use a plastic pry tool or a small, flat screwdriver. Gently work around the seam, starting near the key slot, applying even pressure to avoid cracking the plastic. Some 2020 Plus models might have a release button that pops the case open without tools, so look for that first. Now that the case is open, you'll see the battery. With the fob open, remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation. The positive side usually faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. It's best to use OEM batteries for compatibility. Reassemble the fob by snapping the two halves back together. Ensure the rubber gasket is properly sealed to maintain weather resistance. Finally, test the fob by pressing the buttons to confirm it's working. Remember to check the valet key mode or panic button functionality. If you have a 2024 X3 or similar model and you've experienced connectivity issues, be sure to check for any available firmware updates from BMW to improve antenna performance. DIY replacement is generally safe, but if your fob is under warranty, consider a BMW certified technician to avoid voiding it.